Hi to everyone guys, in our new video. Today we are in World Trade Center in Dubai. We are visiting one of the biggest events in the Forex area. It's Forex Expo Dubai 2022. I already was the moderator in discussion panel. This was the first experience for me, but I think it was very nice. I want to visit some of the companies. I want to talk with them about why people are losing and 3 things that every trader needs to know to start making money in the Forex business. So let's start. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Thank you. Thank you. So the question is why people are losing and top 3 recommendations to become a profitable trader.
My name is Mohammed Jabri. I'm from Noor Capital. Basically, the question which you have asked is with every trader to be a professional trader, and what Tradeview follows. Basically, they need to follow the risk management theory, which everybody has to do that. You know, they need to put a proper stop loss orders, whatever they are putting for the profit order as well. So if you are not putting the proper stop loss orders, basically if the market is going against your direction, you are not there for the trade anymore. You need to capitalize your risk to sustain in the market and to safeguard your capital as well.
Hello, my name is Raad Al-Khadr. I'm a Chief Market Analyst at Equiti Group. Why traders or majority of traders are losing in this market? Basically because they don't choose the right broker at the beginning. Right broker is the right partner for you. So it's your first correct decision. You should make sure to make it right. Then you can care about the market. But if it comes to the market, then 80% about risk management, 20% only about strategy. So be smart, trade up, and switch to equity.
Hi guys, I'm Jamil Ahmad. I'm the Chief Investment Strategist at Alpari. Thank you for coming to our booth today. 3 recommendations for potential traders and investors is to keep up to date with what's going on with market trends, learn both technical and fundamental analysis, both matter, and thirdly, risk management. Take your time with learning how to trade. There's no need to rush in. Of course, there's always opportunities in financial markets, and thank you for coming to Alpari once again.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Sharaka. I'm the head of market analysis in Tradeview Markets since 2018, and here I am in Dubai. Today I'm gonna tell you why people actually lose their fund when they start trading. About 80% of clients do that. First thing, people doesn't use stop loss. Second thing, people actually trade in fundamental, so they just actually follow the news. There is no technical, or people will be using technical and no fundamental. So I will give you a short advice actually you have to follow if you want to be profitable in trading. Pretty much you will need to have technical analysis, fundamental, both in one go. Plus you will need to use stop loss and take profit. However, don't ever add to your position when the market going against your way, because you might not have enough margin. Thank you so much.
Just finished my speech, guys. I think it's very nice because I got a lot of the positive feedback from the people. It was the full hall, you know, so it's very nice. I'll continue to talk with the broker companies because I want to share with you opinions from different people in that area, because they really understand this market, and their information and sharing their knowledge can really help you to get a profit.
Ibrahim Birjawi, the Chief Market Analyst at INFINOX. Today I want to talk to you about why actually traders are losing in this market. As you know, more than 30 years in this market, and still till now, more than 90% of traders are still losing in this market. Why is that? Actually, there is a reason that all of the people are looking at the market exactly at the same way. So since we have 90% still losing in the market, that means we have a strategy that all those people are following, that it's leading them to lose in the market. How can we avoid this? Actually, you should look at the market in a totally different way. I'm gonna give only 3 tips for you. Of course, I'm not going to go deep into my strategy. Just small tips. First, without risk management, you cannot make it. Second, without discipline, you cannot make it. Third, without a clear strategy different than that of the retail one, you cannot make it. So you are more than welcome to contact us here at INFINOX to know more about our courses. Thank you.
My name is Daniel. I'm CEO of BDSwiss MENA. Why traders lose? For me, number one reason is financial literacy. If we look at recent reports, we see that only 30%, for example, in MENA, of traders are financial literate. This varies across regions. We saw that mainly retail traders enter the market for the wrong reasons, for the fear of missing out, and they don't do the proper education, they don't do the proper due diligence about the product they are investing in. On top of that, there is a lot of factors, psychological factors. As a human beings, we are driven by emotions, fear and greed. Fear and greed affect a lot of our decisions. Fear can cause us to close a position too early, for example. Greed will cause us to keep a position for too long. On top of that, there is risk management. Very few retail traders know risk management, so we see a lot of them are over leveraged. A small market move against them will cause a margin call, for example. My 3 top advices is do your homework a lot before you invest in any product. Number 2, learn economy fundamental analysis. And number 3 is risk management is the key to successful trading. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tiago Cardoso. I'm the head of business development and partners at INFINOX. And my recommendation for beginners is to first education, get the best education as possible. We can provide that within our trading platforms. Second, take a mentorship, which can be part of the education, but take mentorship from professional traders, from people that can actually give you a performance. We have Act Social, for example, where you can see the top traders from INFINOX. And third, risk management. Learn how to manage yourself, your own risk. Learn how to not over leverage your account, and learn how to don't use too much margin on your account. So if you nail these 3 things, you will be closer to actually be profitable in the market.
Hello, ZuluTrade is one of the most well-known social and copy trading platforms. Our mission and vision is to become the most well-known social wealth management platform in the world. We are already acquired licenses at each part of the globe. We reactivate our Japanese license in Japan, Mauritius license, and FCA next year. We are opening offices at many places, and the last office we are going to set up is here in Dubai.
ZuluTrade has the biggest community of traders and investors. Now we are close to introduce the 2.0. We will be totally reshaped, much more innovative. It will be much more user-friendly. We are going to optimize the user journey of our community. Of course, we are going to change many of our features that we do provide. So let me give an example. Now we have 2 types of users, the trader and the investor. Now we are going to merge this functionality. So the user, he will be able to follow other traders, and also as well to become a trader itself, herself or himself. So you do understand this is really innovative. Of course, as Staffy said, we are planning to become a wealth management. At some point, we will provide our own structured products. in order to target high wealth clients. So,
Some of these structured products will be ETFs, bonds, market baskets. We will expand and widen our services.
So that's it.
So guys, the point with the ZuluTrade, this is not a new company. That company that has some history, and the most important point for us, that they are independent companies. So they are dealing with a lot of the broker companies, and you can get the best results from those brokers and the traders that they are dealing in this broker in successful way. So anyway, I was dealing with that company a long time ago. I was interested in their services, but in that point they had some minuses. Right now they are launching Zulu 2.0. I'll try to do my best to record more about those companies. We need to go deeper because they have a lot of interesting things that we might be interested in to invest in or to trade there and to make a good profit.
This is a clear point which we are taking care of. So we show the client, we charge commission. That's it. Spreads are low, but we charge commission. Our commission is $5 per lot for the broke account, and that's it. No hidden fees, nothing.
In one of my videos, you saw the Andrew from the INFINOX. But for right now, he changed his company. He went to a new challenge. He opened a new company called BelleoFX. I think in the future I'll make one more video, a special video for him, because for me it's also very interesting this topic, how to open a broker company and what we need to challenge with exactly. Right now is the second day, this is the evening, and on the registration desk you can see behind of me it's still busy, and when you go inside to the expo it's still busy. I want to make a short review, my opinion about that expo. By far it was the best expo, Forex Expo, that I have visited before. A lot of the companies, I think there was something around 118 companies in different directions, not only broker companies, it's liquidity providers, some service providers, lots of the people, very high interest, 2 speakers hall, a lot of the people everywhere. So it was very busy, very crowded, and I enjoy a lot. So 100% I recommend to everyone to visit next year this event. I think next time will be, I don't know when, but highly recommend you to visit that one. Regarding recommendations from the broker companies, almost they are the same, So choosing the right broker company, because it's really true. If someone will call you through the phone, like a lot of the companies doing like that, like scammers, they're calling you, let's trade together, talking you shit through the phone, and then in the end you can lose your money. So that's company that located there, they are dealing in a little bit different way. The second point, they were telling a lot about education. Yes, it's true. Because if it's new market, it's impossible for you to understand this profession from the beginning. If you want to be a trader, you need to spend your time. If we are talking about a doctor, yes, he will not spend maybe 1-2 weeks for the additional courses and will go to make surgeries. This is weird. The same in trading. If you want to learn how to trade and how to make money on this field, you need to spend your time, spend your money in education. Why I'm talking about spend your money? Yesterday I met one guy, he told me that he is a subscriber of my channel. He told me that I'm trying to learn how to trade from the YouTube, but a lot of information, a lot of different information, and for him it's very hard to put everything step by step. And yeah, it's true, it's the same in tennis. If you play by yourself and trying to learn something that, instead going to the coaches and he will put you this basic stuff. So this is the same. Very important to go to some course when someone will teach you consistent information. And the third point, this is the risk management. Never trade without stop loss, because as I told you one more time, I was in one conference and there was stop loss taking profit, and this is true. So I wish you guys as maximum profits as it possible to deal with the good companies. My congratulations to the organizer of the expo, because this event was really nice. See you guys in our next videos.